Bowie. I'm the founder and principal of Her Lawyer, which is a law firm designed for ambitious women in business. And what we do is we provide legal advice and services for women who've got big goals, big dreams, in a way that is really caring, transparent and flexible. So usually when a client first finds me, they have been pretty overwhelmed by the legal side of their business. I've had so many people come to me and say, I just got this enormous bill. Taking care of the legal side of your business doesn't need to be scary, it doesn't need to be like that, it doesn't need to be unpredictable, it doesn't need to be intimidating. And so what we do is we work with them in a really caring and loving way. We fit in around their other priorities, so if we need to schedule meetings in between nap times or after school pickup, that's fine. We never make our clients come into the office. You can come into the office if you really want to, but we do a lot of phone, email and Skype and Zoom meetings just because it's so much more convenient. One of our clients is a fantastically ambitious woman in business. She has 3 businesses in the pet supply industry. She first approached us when she was losing money in one of those businesses because of loose contract terms that weren't right for her. We worked with her to pull together a contract that was able to protect her business and her cash flow really well, while reflecting her brand voice, and we did that while working in with the rest of her lifestyle. As a result, she was able to take that business to the next level, start generating some serious cash, and avoid all the time she was wasting dealing with unnecessary customer issues. So she was so happy with what we'd done that she came back to us a month later for another one of her businesses, which she was looking at transitioning to the next phase again, and she was looking for help with her distribution contracts. So what we did was we again worked in with her lifestyle and we created a contract that reflected the brand's voice. And the most important thing was that we made the contract so user-friendly she could take it to the expo that she was planning and sign new distributors on the spot. We've partnered with this client long-term to build all 3 of her businesses up so that she can achieve her ultimate goal of selling them in 5 years' time so that her and her family can move on to their next phase. One of our most recent clients is a graphic designer who contacted us because she had decided to go big or go home with her business, and she'd taken on a new partner and she was going to relaunch under a new name. As we were working together on some documents, we realised that she was about to make a serious business mistake by starting the business under an unregisterable name. So we worked through those issues with her. We helped her find a name that was able to be registered and applied for registration of that trademark. So that saved her a whole lot of money and time and energy that she would have wasted putting into building the goodwill in that previous name. And now she's avoided that loss, and she's also moving forward with confidence. I really enjoy what I do, and I get a lot of satisfaction out of helping people. One of the best parts of my job is when my clients tell me that they feel so happy and relieved to be working with me. As a lawyer, it's not something that you hear all the time, but obviously we're doing something right with Her Lawyer because I'm hearing it from them all the time. And I think it's because they feel they've finally found someone to partner with them, someone who they can trust, that someone who knows their shit, but someone who isn't going to speak down to them or intimidate them or make it really hard. So they've found someone who's just like a friend who happens to be a lawyer.